forward to the most is mainly getting out. Anytime to take advantage of leaving is pretty much a good time for me. Together with the guys and hitting trails, hopefully. So if the weather allows, that's one thing I really, really look forward to.
What I look forward to the most is getting out of Arizona and seeing different scenery and being cold for a change.
So the thing I'm most looking forward to is getting out of Arizona. It's been 2 years and I haven't left Arizona. And I'm going somewhere, I have never been before. So Colorado is going to be a new experience for me. So that's what I'm looking forward to.
I'm looking forward to getting out of Arizona. I'm just kidding. Just going on a trip, a guy's trip specifically. It's been a while, so
Trip.
yeah, should be nice.
Forward to the most. The unexpected, I guess. I've never been there, so it's going to be all brand new to me, and that's what I'm looking forward to. The ability to decompress. It's been a minute.
Tired from the day before, we decided to sleep in. Yet early sunlight had us up and on the road. We made our way down Last Dollar Road to catch the highway to a place known as the Switzerland of America, the town of Ouray. After 2 days on the road, we felt showers were long overdue, so we decided to pay a visit to some local hot springs. Unfortunately, no cameras were allowed in the hot springs, but they are definitely a must if you visit the area. Feeling fresh and clean, we decided to check out some local food and brews.
So it's day 3. We're here in Ouray, getting ready to eat something that's not cooked at camp, treating ourselves. And then we're gonna head to camp, right? Yeah. Something like that. All right. So cheers, guys.
It's been an awesome trip.
Well fed and in high spirits, we made our way to our next and unfortunately last camp for the trip. As we set up, we gathered around and shared what has made this trip so memorable.
Ready? Uno, dos, tres. Cheers! Cheers!
The next morning, Colorado decided to bid us farewell by giving us another morning of snowfall. We decided to carve our way out of camp early, as we had many miles to cover. Even so, we decided to take the long way home through the $1 Million Highway. Old mining structures still remain along the highway, giving you a brief look into the history of the area. We decided to make a stop in Silverton, another quaint mountain town, for some coffee and breakfast before hitting the road again. Marked down as a trip for the books. We don't say goodbye to Colorado, but see you next time, as I'm sure it will call us back soon enough.